Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create AI chatbot on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application and we need to go to our Instagram direct messages. I'm going to click on this icon to open up my Instagram DM. And for your information guys, that this is a new feature on Instagram called AI Studio. And here in the AI Studio, we'll be able to create an AI chatbot. You can click on this icon to access the AI Studio. Okay, and these are the popular AIs. And you can join someone else AI here, but you can also create your own AI chatbot. And I'm going to show you guys how we can create our own AI chatbot. We can go to create option right here, and then we can click on custom AI. And then here you need to describe your AI. And I have already made a description, so here I'm just going to paste my description. Okay, I want to create an AI who can be our friend anywhere and anytime. Okay, this is the description of my AI, and then we can click on next. All right, and this is the name of the AI, and you can change it if you're not satisfied with the name. And you can also change the profile picture, but I'm just going to use this one. And you can customize the tagline here. You can change it as well if you're not satisfied, and you can choose your audience. You can either select everyone, close friends, or just for you. And I'm going to select everyone so everyone can access this AI chatbot. Okay, and if you want to go to the advanced settings, you can click on this option, but I'm gonna skip this one. And then once you're ready to create it, you can click on chat with AI. Okay, and now the AI chatbot is being created and we just need to wait. Okay, now the AI is ready and we'll be able to chat with AI here. For example, I'm going to use the suggestion. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create our own AI chatbot on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.